West Oklahoma, we've heard the story, the Wild West Road. But have you heard the song that kept their rhythm on the road? Well, they went one Mississippi on the way to Kansas City. Hi-ho, yippee-ki-yay, get on, get getting, 'cause there ain't no quitting on the Chisholm Trail out there, see. Come on. Through the dust clouds, you hear the roar. Hooves of beasts and mustangs beating on that desert floor. The days were long, and I gave no rest. And it took a lot just to maintain 200 head. So they sang one Mississippi on the way to Kansas City. Hi-ho, yippee-ki-yay, get on, get getting, 'cause there ain't no quitting on the Chisholm Trail out there, see. So I have to tell you guys, the Chisholm Trail does not run all the way to Kansas City, which some of y'all may know. It only runs to Abilene, Kansas. But that just didn't rhyme well with Mississippi.